Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a true gem from the mid-1980s American automotive scene, the 1985 Oldsmobile Calais. A car that marked Oldsmobile's entry into the compact luxury segment, the Calais brought a unique blend of style, practicality, and performance wrapped in that unmistakable 80s charm. Let's take a closer look at its exterior, interior, and performance, and wrap things up with a detailed conclusion. Exterior. Starting off with the exterior, the 1985 Oldsmobile Calais carried the sharp, boxy design language that defined the decade. Built on GM's N-body platform, it shared its roots with the Pontiac Grand Am and Buick Somerset, but the Calais stood out with a cleaner, more refined appearance. Up front, you'll notice the rectangular sealed beam headlights flanking a simple yet classy grille with the Oldsmobile emblem sitting proudly in the center. The bumper design integrated turn signals neatly, giving it a balanced and polished face. Moving along the sides, the car featured straight body lines, minimal chrome trim, and an overall aerodynamic silhouette for its time. The rear was equally tidy, square tail lamps, a smooth trunk lid, and a subtle Oldsmobile badge completed the look. Available as both a two-door coupe and a four-door sedan, the Calais offered variety for different buyers. Many models rolled out with optional two-tone paint, alloy wheels, and even sportier trim packages like the Calais GT, which added spoilers and body stripes for a bolder personality. Interior. Step inside the Calais, and you're greeted by a cabin that combined simplicity with a touch of luxury. Oldsmobile designed it to appeal to buyers who wanted an upscale feel without the big size or price tag of a Cutlass or Delta 88. The dashboard featured a symmetrical layout with easy-to-read gauges and large, square buttons typical of the era. The materials were soft touch for the mid-80s standard, and cloth or optional velour upholstery added comfort for long drives. Some higher trims even offered digital instrument clusters, a futuristic touch at the time. The front seats were roomy and supportive, while the rear provided enough legroom for passengers to sit comfortably despite its compact dimensions. Power accessories, air conditioning, AM/FM stereo, and cruise control were available, showing that the Calais wasn't just about affordability, it also aimed for comfort and convenience. Performance. Under the hood, the 1985 Oldsmobile Calais offered a range of powertrains, designed to balance fuel efficiency with respectable performance. The base models came with a 2.5-liter, Iron Duke, four-cylinder engine producing around 92 horsepower, not exactly thrilling, but dependable and easy on fuel. For those wanting more punch, Oldsmobile offered the 2.8-liter V6 option, delivering about 125 horsepower. Paired with either a 5-speed manual or a 3-speed automatic transmission, it provided smoother acceleration and better cruising power on highways. The Calais featured front-wheel drive, a shift from Oldsmobile's traditional rear-wheel drive setups, and used independent suspension for improved ride comfort and handling. Steering was light, braking was solid, and the car's relatively light weight made it nimble around town. Fuel economy hovered around 25 to 30 miles per gallon, which made it an appealing choice during the fuel-conscious 80s. Conclusion. The 1985 Oldsmobile Calais represented an important step for Oldsmobile, a move toward modern, efficient, and compact luxury. It might not have been the fastest or flashiest car of its time, but it offered a balanced package of style, practicality, and reliability. For many, the Calais was a first taste of premium American engineering in a smaller, more affordable form. Today, it stands as a nostalgic reminder of GM's attempt to evolve with changing automotive trends in the 1980s. If you're into classic compact cars or appreciate Oldsmobile's heritage, the Calais is a fascinating piece of history worth remembering. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more classic car reviews, and drop a comment below telling us which Oldsmobile model you'd like to see next.